Hey, all you users out there, welcome back to DIY and That. It is 48 degrees and rainy here in beautiful rural Avella, Pennsylvania. The time is 2:37. Got a quick tip for you. When you're using a Saber saw, the sawdust tends to be rather fine and it gets in the way of the cut line so you can't see what you're doing. If you slant the workpiece downward away from you, as I'm showing here, the vibration from the saw tends to clear the sawdust off the cut line so you can see what you're doing a little better. Now, some Saber saws have a blower on them, and that helps to clear the line. This saw does have a blower, but it's almost 40 years old, and the blower's gotten quite weak. So I've been using this downhill technique to just make it a little bit easier to see what I'm cutting. So hope that was helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and liking, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.